Hello students, let us discuss today the functions of derivative market. So the derivative market performs a number of economic functions. So we're going to discuss in this particular video lecture some of the important functions of derivative market. The first point, management of risk. So there are various kinds of risk. Say for example, credit risk, market risk, liquid risk, legal risk, or operational risk. So you can take protection from all these kinds of risk with the help of derivative market. So derivative, it is effective risk management tool. So financial derivative provide a powerful tool for limiting the risk, which means reducing the risk. For reducing the risk or for limiting the risk, there are tools in derivative market that individuals and organizations face in the ordinary conduct of business. So both individuals and organizations they face various kinds of risk. So with the help of derivatives and its products, they can get protected from various kinds of risk. Next point, efficiency in trading. So derivative, it leads to market efficiency or efficiency in trading. So trading efficiency or what we call market efficiency, it is definitely possible with the help of derivative and its product. So derivative bring efficiency in the market and make the market a full complete because of so many reasons. So why we say that the market efficiency or efficiency in trading? So this is mainly because low transaction cost, minimization of risk. So these are the benefit from the derivatives: low transaction cost, minimization of risk, clear reflection of the market perception. Derivatives help to discover both future and current prices of underlying asset. Okay, it clearly shows, it help to discover the future and current prices of underlying asset. Protection to the investors from financial risk, it provides protection to the investors from various kind of financial risk. Facilitating the trading activities under controlled and regulated form. Okay, under controlled and regulated form, it facilitate the trading activities. So these are the some reasons for market efficiency or efficiency in trading. Next point, price discovery. So in an organized derivatives market, prices reflect the perception of market. Okay, in organized derivative market, price reflect the perception of market participants about the future. So what do you mean by price discovery? So price discovery, it is a process which determines market prices. So it is a process which determines the market prices. So mostly through interaction between buyer and sellers. So this price discovery function is possible with the help of derivatives. Price stabilization function. So derivatives provide a significant tool or mechanism through which all the investors and participants they can judge the movement of prices and protect themselves from financial risk. So ultimately derivatives provides various mechanism or tools that will help the investors and the various participants of the derivative market to take decisions about the movement of prices, and also get protected from the various kinds of financial risk. So indirectly derivatives stabilizes the price movements through through a participative controlled mechanism. So this is very important. So through a participative controlled mechanism, derivatives stabilizes the price movements. Next point, catalyst for new entrepreneurial activity. So this is also possible. So derivatives, it creates new business opportunities, or it also create employment opportunities. So this is very important. So derivative offer new business and employment opportunities across the globe. So at present there are so many active people working in derivatives, sorry, in the stock market. There's so many people working in stock market. They're working as agents or as traders, uh, advisors, and many more responsibilities. So this is one of the major function of derivatives. So it creates new business opportunities as well as employment opportunities. I hope you understood the concept. Thank you.